Okay, let's assume that the back is to me, because we got these power leads coming out. And we're going to lay these on here. Now, instead of me trying to make it to that first pad right there, I think I'm going to try to go all the way across and hit the pad on the other side. You know what I mean? So I'm going to cut this right here, right? And then strip it. And then wind it up and tin it. And there's a little bit of rubber on there, shield. Okay, let's tin that up. Okay, so this one's going to be this side motor. Actually, let's make it that side motor. And we come all the way across to this side. So I'm going to move the stand off so I don't burn it. And I'm going to trim this one just a little bit. Okay. All right. Here we go. Come on, dancing. Quit dancing around. Alright. Let's pull this one. Yeah, we'll go over it. We won't screw that down because I'll be stretching some other ones across, like this one. It's gonna come across from here to that side. So let's cut this one. And then strip them. Twist them. And tin them. Okay, and then this one will come from this side to that side. So let's spin this around so you can see it. And again, we'll put the ground down first and have the positive come over it. Now that one took a little bit. Let's hope this one don't take that much time. Oh, you fudge. Yeah, see, that was better. Okay. So that's those two, right? Then we have these two. And this one looks like it already wants to go this way. So we might as well let it. So I'm going to cut it about there. Right? This is going to be the hard side because I got those big power leads on there. I might just take them off and put, instead of 12s, 14s. However, this thing could be a screamer. Oh wait, there's already a new screamer. Yeah, I don't know. Let's tin these up. What I like to do here is get my soldering gun on top of it, and once it sinks down, get my soldering iron on top of it, and once it sinks down and you see pull, I let go of the wire and re-grab it so that it puts it down in that pool really nice. Alright, so that's all four of them. Now we can put the motor wires in, or motor mounts, screws, motor screw mounts. Let's try that. Now, remember, I can only fit two, I think, because of the way these were spaced out. Okay. And we'll do this for camera. And again, I Loctite all my stuff at the end. You don't know how many times I'll be taking these motors on and off. Sometimes. Usually, you shouldn't have to. Alright, there's that. Okay. We got our signal leads. Our battery is on. We can get our VBAT. And all the rest of this stuff pretty easy. Right? The only issue is getting this standoff on that pillar over here. And it worked. this is going to be, it's pushing it a little, but it worked. You know what I'll do? I'll grind the bottom of it a little. Oops, now I can't get it off. There we go. We'll put it somewhere else. Cross court. Let's see. This looks like a good standoff to use. I'm using it in mine over there. There's a lot of space in these Mitsukus. Alright. She's tight. Let's give her a wrench just in case. Boy. Let's find another one. Another two. My mistake. One. Two. Nice. Then we need a red and white lead for the V-bat. The thing is, I never like what I got. I don't like it. You know what I do like are these. So we're going to use this. Alright. That's V-bat. And those go right there. See that right inside there? So I'm going to hook this one right on there. And this one right quick. And I like to put it in something like this. Alright. There it is. Where's my tweezers? Let's get this one done. Right. Depending on which flight controller you use, this is all you need to power it. Okay. There's one. Are you seeing any of this? Okay. There's the V-bat. All this is under the hood. Under the hood. What do I got to throw on it? A Moto Lab Cyclone. Where's the V-bat on here? I think it's... Yep, it's these two right here. So if that was me, this has to be 45 degrees off. No, wait. No, it's going to go this way. Right? That's perfect. Bring this puppy around like that. Drop this on here. Oh, yeah, drop that on there. And then no pins this time. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. All right, until next time.